Another problem is carrying the wheelchair in the boot of the car. When the wheelchair is placed in the boot of the car, with the movement of the car and the jerks, the wheelchair can move and damage the vehicle. To overcome this problem, there is a simple solution. Again, it is the velcro that comes to the rescue. The velcro is placed from the rear seat and tied around the wheelchair to secure the wheelchair. This is the velcro. It comes from the rear of the rear seat, and this side of the velcro comes from the other side, and these two are strapped together, and now you have a secure strap around the wheelchair which prevents it from moving while the car is in motion.
BreakFreeSolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.